In this week's episode, we are moving to another park, but when you live in the desert Southwest, you can bet that the weather here is going to be full of surprises. For example, today it's the National Weather Service that has been issuing severe storm warnings since this morning and pretty much for the rest of the week, including a chance for tornadoes. Rare in this part of the country, but not unheard of. Great, just what I wanted to hear.
How can you not be proud of a place like this? It gives you these wonderful, amazing mornings. Now that is one neat add-on awning for an Airstream. Mom, I like chapstick. I do. Grapey. Great, babe.
Lip smacker.
Great, babe. So, guess what we're having tonight for dinner? Oh, that's a dead giveaway. Not fair.
Half an hour ago, it started to rain, then just cleared up.
How can you not be proud of a place like this? It gives you these wonderful, amazing mornings. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. This place is second to none when it comes to fireworks in the sky all year long. How beautiful. Well, folks, today is Veterans Day. And once again, the park always goes out of its way to show its respect to all of the veterans in this beautiful, wonderful country. They have their own little row of flags. What a nice tribute. Now that is one neat add-on awning for an Airstream. Pink flamingos. Awesome. What a beautiful rig. And it's pulled by a big old 3500. Nice. That is the western sky. It's some big storm that's off of California. Actually, I think it's coming up through Mexico. And we were supposed to get a whole lot of rain. Well, it sure looks like it's trying real hard. We had some rain last night. We had a little bit of sprinkling this morning. And we have to be out of here by 11. Look at those clouds.
way to say adios to Paul and Jeff if they are out this morning.
Okay, bye, sir.
Bye, Paul. Look at Egg. She's rolling on her back. Okay, you ready to get back? And Daddy said, Mama, let you stay right there until we get out. When Mama blows on you or puts the hairdryer on you, but you like the wind in your face from the window. Look at him.
I want a little, Mama. Put it on my lips. Mama, I like chapstick. I do. Smell it. Grapey. Great, babe.
Lip smacker.
Great, babe.
You're in big trouble, man. It's your wife.
I don't know if this is going to come out on the camera, but wow. One of the things that we started doing is planting some basil and a few scallions. We use an awful lot of it in our cooking, so it's made a big difference and it helps out. Got most of our tools out, and tonight I think we're going to go ahead and do get a hold of it. I think it'll be a taco salad. So get that out. Let it warm up a little bit. In fact, I may hurry it up by putting it in a little bit of tepid water. And if you take a look outside, you can see that the skies are still overcast. It's been raining most of the day. Get back with you again in just a little bit.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of Maricopa County. Turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona.
And there we are, set up, getting a time lapse of these beautiful clouds that are rolling through. But as you heard, flash flood warnings are up. Come on, Arizona. don't get anybody hurt. So, guess what we're having tonight for dinner? Oh, that's a dead giveaway. Not fair. Got some nice cheese. Got that going with all the condiments, veggies. Ooh, nice. A little paste and some of my own custom hot sauce. Got the meat cooking away. And I've got the pan on the stove for the tortilla shells. Plus, we're heating up some black beans to go along with it. Oh, nice. Somebody's hungry, aren't you, buddy? Yeah, you are, huh? You little goofy butt. Yeah, I love you too, so very much. Yes, you always get a piece from me.
Hey insiders, did you know that OLT has the best looking crew in all of YouTube? And just look at this handsome couple and their choice of amazing hats.
We've been here for about 3 days now. The trip over, 10-minute ride, was easy, no big deals, no problems. I got into the park. We had just missed a bunch of rain that was scheduled for that morning. Got everything settled in and hooked up, and we just got into our routine again. It's been wonderful. Work out every day, Grizz walk every morning, and we're just getting on to get on. There's nothing unusual happening right now. We're going to continue doing our walk, and the unusual thing is that it has been raining virtually every day since we've been here. It's wild. I guess it's a big storm front that's come in out of Mexico. You can see all that darkness behind me. And we're just taking it all in. The rig is done beautiful. There's been no hassles with it. It's done a fantastic job with all the wet. It's one thing RVs don't like is a whole lot of wet, at least on the inside. It's that particle board stuff that they use on them. So our next big plan is to get into our Thanksgiving holiday and relax and enjoy. We thank you all so much for riding along with us. We know it's a little boring with all the stuff we have to do because of the cancer, but we have so much fun knowing that you're here, and so many wonderful people that comment to us and help support us. Thank you all. You're all amazing. Catch you next video.
Please travel safe and keep an eye out for nasty weather.